Next card you see, Robert. Thank you. Grazie mille.
Stop walking around, Rich.
Give him a big clap. Grazie mille. Molto bene. Quanto costa? Tomato and spaghetti and all the rest of the Italian stuff.
See you in a bit.
Very nice. Thank you, Alan. Thank you for bringing our friend across here. Very kind of you. And that's got a gorgeous 4-stroke engine on it.
He's coming into land.
We have a front wheel problem on the Bronco. You can do the business. Steve?
You want to get down there quick, yeah.
Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. A major problem here and a lot of money at stake. Are you ready, everybody? Because you got away with it this morning. I don't know if you can do it twice. Can he? This ex-BBC cameraman, newsreel cameraman. Here it is, an emergency landing. Look, big aeroplane. Can he hold it? Can he hold it? Can he hold it? Look, the nose wheel stuck up. He could ruin this aeroplane with a wrong maneuver. Well held, sir. Well held, sir. See, that was brilliant. Did you run Saturday with that? Well then, I applaud it. Like that was good.
Hello, Paul.
Hello, Paul.
Oh, look, Martin. Guess what the price is. There you go. All these beauties here, mate. Now look, vendors row all the way up. All the way up there. Helicopters out there flying. Unbelievable. Great day today. Rising hobbies. Everybody. We've got stuff here, all turnigy stuff on it. Unbelievable.
AC-10. Goes like that, isn't he? Clever, isn't it? Some man, isn't he?
Getting slapped.
Now that is some flyer. Look, that is Ken Wallace all over again, into the British lad who sadly passed away last year. Holder of umpteen world records. Wing Commander Ken Wallace, loveliest man, but look at this one. Hello, your dream, sir. It's clever to get a huge rotor there. 3.2 meters in diameter it is. And that sure flies well. There's a lovely skylark goes up behind us whilst he's happening to fly. And then, you remember Wing Commander Ken Wallace? Those of you, well, he did the little Nelly flying in the James Bond movies, you remember that? He did one of it, flying with one of these. He used to fly with the joystick between his knees and take all the photographs up the Moors murders, all those. He did that. That was what he did. And